Hey guys, I don't know what I'm doing, but Jonathan pulls pranks on me all the time, and I'm gonna get back with him. I saw this somewhere, sometime. Anyway, here we go. Hope it works. Jonathan, come here. I need your help. I can't get the blow dryer. I can't get the blow dryer to work, and I want to dry Molly before I bring her in the house after giving her a bath.
Okay.
So,
she's all the way out there in the yard. You want me to go get her first?
no, she's kind of drying a little bit on her own. Let's just see if I can get this thing to work.
Okay.
Okay? I don't know what's going on here. I think it works.
What the heck?
Well, that's for your pranks and your mask and all the stuff you do to me. Welcome to your world.
Why? Why this?
Because
Oh my gosh.
Because it looks like fun, and
Oh
now
my
you're gonna
gosh.
have to go take a shower again. I love it. It worked.
Ah. Now I know darn well you don't know how to pull pranks like this. So who told you?
I saw something you showed me.
Saw something I should. Oh my God. Lexi? Lexi, was it Lexi?
It was that blonde, cute little blonde.
Yeah, that's Lexi.
What can I say? You look so cute and white.
Yeah, cute and white.
Your dad says you
My
need a
butt.
tan.
You need a tan, yeah, right. Well, guys, I guess I better give my mom a break every now and then.
Lesson
And just
learned.
you wait, I'm gonna get you back so bad.
No,
Yes.
no.
Yes. See what I have to put up with? Well.
And P.S. That ruined the blow dryer, so don't do that trick.
Yeah, and it's my blow dryer too. You're buying me a new one.
No, you can have mine.
She's buying me a new
I'll
one.
buy me a new one, and you get.
Yeah,
the old
you're buying me a new one, that's for sure.
one. No.
Yes.
You can have mine, and I get me a new one.
Okay. I think we're done here.
This was my travel blow dryer anyway, and we're not traveling anywhere, so.
I'm done.